guys, thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video we are blinging out slippers. So I'm not gonna talk too much and you're not gonna see my face because I look a mess, but I'm gonna tell you guys the items that you're gonna need. You're gonna need some pearls, and I got mine from Michael's. I got this whole thing right here from Michael's, and it was like 20 bucks, and you get all different kind of shapes. I mean, not shapes, but different sizes, the big ones, the medium, and stuff like that. But I got my extra small beads right here from Amazon. Let me see if you can see it better on the plate. These are the smaller ones right here in the middle that's on this plate. So you need the pearls, E6000 glue. You can buy the bigger, you can buy the bigger bottle, but I got like 4 small ones because I went to Walmart and they didn't have the big ones. Yeah, and of course you need slippers. I got these from Kohl's and they was on sale for like $9. And also I'm using these small little diamond, whatever they call. You don't have to use those, but I'm choosing to use it on my Nike sign right here, if you guys can see it. And also I'm using tweezers so that I can pick them up and put them on the plate. If you go ahead and put them on the plate by size, I feel like it goes faster, but you don't have to do that. You can just pour them all on the plate. But I put mine in sizes. You also need a toothpick or something that you can pick the pearls up with. You will need something you can pick them up with. So let me fix this and we're going to get started. Okay, first we're going to start with the small diamonds so that we can put in the Nike sign.
You guys watch.
And I'm just like that. And spread it. Now we're going to start putting them on there. And I made myself a little wax stick. Sometimes I can go fast and sometimes I can't. It all depends. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. This is the Legion. Every day life goes by. I'm getting stronger, stronger. I got a lot of reasons to smile. I'm getting stronger, stronger. Every day life goes by. I'm getting stronger, stronger. I got a lot of reasons to smile. I'm getting stronger, stronger. I'm good. I never knew that I could be a strong woman. I had to take my chance and now I'm not so different. I never thought that I could never see you around. tried so hard not to let you slip away. But I can't be foolish to take myself through all of this every day. Getting stronger, stronger. I got a lot of reasons to smile. I'm getting stronger, stronger every day.
Okay, guys, I'm done with the Nike sign. Now I'm about to start on the outside part. And I'm gonna just outline the Nike sign first, because I just feel like that'll be easier for me to do that part first. Oh shoot, messed up all. And there's no particular way that I do these. I just go and put it where it fits, basically.
I'm getting stronger, stronger. I got a lot of reasons to smile. I'm getting stronger, stronger. And baby, oh, hell no, I won't make this mistake again. Oh, and I won't play your games, baby. Oh, no. Just listen to this song and let me tell you so. 'Cause I'm official, baby. I'm a little different, baby. You gotta treat me right if you want my loving, baby. Yeah. Every day life goes by. I'm getting stronger,